What I got today is a harness that lets you kind of have your GoPro on your chest, and something that I've had before, and it just doesn't, the quality wasn't there. This one is amazing. The straps are very, very thick and very, very stretchy. So stretchy, in fact, that I can wear it and my wife can wear it without us having to change the tension, which I'm a lot bigger than she is. It comes with this magnet, which I'm hoping this will, you can see this, is so strong. And then, this is where the GoPro goes into, or any action camera. So you get this on your chest, and you need to take the GoPro out to change the card or the battery. It just, you don't have to take the whole strap off of your body and everything. I really like it. It came with an extra strap too. The quality is amazing. Everything is heavy duty. This is not going anywhere. I like it. I'm glad I ordered it. I think you'll like it too. Thank you for watching.